Hi there, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be working on improving our posture in day to day life. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Come on all fours, your hip, knees aligned, your palms and shoulders aligned. Take inhale, look up, and exhale, look at your navel. Round your spine as you inhale and exhale. Take 5 long inhalation and exhalation in Marjory Asana. Inhale deep and exhale completely. Inhale, and this time we'll try to extend our left leg at the back, and with control, when you exhale, we squeeze in between our elbow and chest and try to extend the right hand. This time alternatively right leg goes back, and when you find the rhythm with the exhale, you extend your left hand in front of your body. Try to find the balance. Relax. From here, sit in Vajrasana for a couple of breaths. Use any blanket or bolster to support your feet if you are finding it difficult to sit in Vajrasana. After spending some time over there, stand on your knees while keeping them hip width apart. Try to do some gentle back bends with every inhalation. Go back, and with exhalation, come to your neutral spine position. Practice 3 to 5 times. Inhale, exhale, come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, this time right hand goes to your right foot and left hand goes to your left foot. Try to look at the back while keeping hips not sinking towards the heel, keeping them away from your body. And when you feel comfortable, support your back and come back. Now rest in a forward fold to release all the tension from your spine. And when you feel ready, fold your knees slightly and keep your feet hip width apart. Hold your hands in front of your body and try to squat with the maximum range of your motion. Stand tall in between your mat, and with inhale, hands go up, look back, have a gentle back bend, and with exhale, come forward. Bend your knees and again inhale, look back, gentle back bend, and with exhale, all the way go down, bend your knees and look ahead. Inhale this time, go little deeper than last 2 times in the bend, and with exhale, little deeper forward fold. Make all the room in and around your chest and carefully come out. Spread your leg little wider than your hips in between your mat. Here we are going to practice some goddesses pose with longer holds. Bend your knees and take your hands and inhale above your head, exhale in between your legs. Inhale, exhale, fold forward, inhale, keep spine neutral, knees relaxed, but flex, and your legs should be attentive enough to hold the goddess's pose. Try to keep any unnecessary pressure on your belly as well as on your knees. and come back. Reduce your stance to your hip width apart and go down to Malasana. Breathe here. Create a little sequence around your Malasana. First, drop your right knee and left knee out of the hips, and alternatively do this 90-90 on the right hip, keeping the spine and hands away from the body. Create lateral stretches while being on the Malasana from alternate hands, and spend some more time in Malasana while keeping spine straight. And from here, sit in Baddha Konasana, which is butterfly pose. Take gentle swaps away from the body. Supporting them with your hands is a great idea to avoid any groin injury. And once you feel comfortable, you can enhance your practice. Spread both legs in front of your body wide open for some forward fold. This is really helpful if you work really long on computers. Hold it there and keep breathing. Use pillow for supporting your hands if you are unable to reach the ground. And from there, lie on your back over the mat. We are going to practice some bridge poses with our ease. First, at least 3 to 5 rounds of deep breath while keeping your feet hip width apart. Hold your heel and with inhalation, lift up your hips. No extra strain on the back of the neck. Inhale, hold for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3, and support your back if you need. You can make it little higher if it is accessible to you at this moment. Remember to breathe, no strain on knees and feet. And with control, leave and come down. Inhale, lift up. Choose the variation of holding heel or supporting the back or interlocking the fingers, whichever makes you more comfortable. And now release all the tension while hugging your knees. And from there, gently spread both of your hands and legs one by one away from your mat, making all the room while again connecting with your inhalations and exhalations, and focus on resting for some time. I will ask you to focus on your inhalation, where you inhale from your nose, goes to your chest and to your belly. Similarly, comes out from belly, chest and nose. One more time. Inhale, nose, chest, belly, chest, nose, exhale. Inhale, nose, chest, belly, belly, chest, nose, exhale. And once you feel a little relaxed, stretch your body in a line. Make some movement in the body and turn to either side and take a support and sit up straight. Spend some more time while keeping your eyes closed, or if you feel ready, rub your palms. Gather the energy which you created and go ahead with your rest of the day. I hope this practice brings you some energy in your practice, and if you liked anything about this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, I hope you work on your posture a little bit more. And thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.